Your silk place only lasted 3 days before turning to cotton, or was your hair won't curl back after wash day? That's heat damage, and 90% of us are causing it without knowing it. Today I'm breaking down exactly why silk press causes heat damage, 5 mistakes, and how to avoid heat damage. So if you're wondering what silk press is basically a hair straightening method that is done on natural hair, possibly on afro-textured hair, to give it the silky, shiny, bone-straight look without the use of chemicals. And there are ways to achieve this silk press, which is washing your hair, drying it, and going ahead to do silk press. Don't forget heat protectants. But how does this heat damage happen? When your hair stays straight even after washing, it won't revert and looks too thin or wider. Hair feels mushy when wet but crispy when dry, and that's heat damage. And one causes of this heat damage is when the temperature is too high. I overheard the stylists saying that they use their temperature on higher so it lasts. And since that's 450 degrees Fahrenheit on fussy hair is like ironing cotton. And one thing we should know is that our hair is dead keratin. Once it's damaged by heat, it doesn't go back or repair itself. So heat above 350 degrees Fahrenheit starts breaking the protein bond on our hair. Avoid it. And definitely use heat protectant, a good one. If not, go below. And number 2 causes of this is no heat protectant or wrong one. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to identify a good heat protectant and the wrong heat protectant so you don't make this mistake. So you need a good protectant that creates a barrier to avoid getting hair burn. Number 3 causes is too many passes. Chasing bone straight with 15 passes, you are literally melting your hair. 2 to 3 slow passes per section should definitely be enough. If it's not straight, after 3 passes, your temperature is probably wrong or your hair wasn't dry. And number 4 causes is hair wasn't 100% dry. This one kills me. Pressing damp hair equals to bubble hair damage. The water inside your boils and burns the hair strand. So hair must be bone dry before flat iron touches it or a straightener touches it. And that is why I mentioned using blow drying first, making sure your hair is dry before any other thing. The last but not the least is skipping protein treatment. Like I said, heat breaks protein bond, and if you never do protein treatment, your hair has no strength to handle heat. So definitely do heat protectant, but avoid too much protein on your hair. Do light protein every 6 to 8 weeks if your silk press also. And I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and until then, see you in my next one. Bye.